comes from. And we're gonna
think about all those things and how big the world is.
It's kind of just like
no choice that you make
buy all our exclusive music. So check that out.
Will ever change anything.
Also, go ahead and go to our website, completely-irrelevant.com.
Also, it's already been another 20 episodes, so here it is. You guessed it, another mashup.
Hey, welcome back to Completely Irrelevant.
Oh, hey.
Let's get to work. Snip.
Dr. Rick Bickle.
Sit still, Mr. Coffee Fly. That electricity is alternating current.
In the vastness of space, this is completely irrelevant.
Are my senses failing? Says the coffee fly.
Like a little tiny hand.
Hi, guys.
LED, meaning that the one lead is negative and the three are the colors that require the positive connection.
Hey, what's up? My name is Jeff and Atelier Relevant. It's just like a state of mind, you know.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to some garlic. And, you're gonna put a clock right there, right?
I'm going to.
Looking forward to some garlic in this much time. Right there. Right here. 11 in there.
That's the entire circuit. You're done. Now put something cool on the LED like a little tiny hand.
I'm going to crawl around it and do a loop. Kitchen, delicious cooking. They taste just as good as garlic.
Tastes like Easter. See, right there, just like that. Just make it look like the picture. You like this circuit? You guys know in the comments below, we make all kinds of cool circuits. You should make this too because it's very simple and you can light up your favorite like a whole entire room. Few tips and tricks and cook them up with some butter. No, I like Calgon.
It is my choice, and it's the choice of a new generation.
It's like people are only doing things because they only get paid. And that's just really sad.
Stay tuned for more exciting things here on Completely Irrelevant.
Check out our merch at completelyirrelevant.com/merch.
And our Facebook, rick.bicklebaum at facebook.com. Share with your friends if you enjoyed the video.
Like and comment.
Got more to come.
Subscribe.
Rick.bicklebaum at facebook.com.
Check out our merch at completelyirrelevant.com/merch.
Stay tuned for more exciting things here on Completely Irrelevant.
Subscribe,
Share with your friends if you enjoyed the video.
like, and comment.
Got more to come. And our Facebook, rick.bicklebaum at facebook.com. Stay tuned for more exciting things here on Completely Irrelevant.